elbows back. Open your chest and bring your head down to the floor again. Exactly the same. This posture, Prasarita Padottanasana, has 4 different asanas. Same family, different variations. Deep and come up slowly, gently, control it. Good. Bring all the time the pelvic floor forward. Engage these muscles. Maybe. While exhaling, interlock your fingers back like this. And open your chest. Look forward. While exhaling, bend forward. One more time. Bring the weight of your body to your toes. And try to not over-stretch the knees, because the tissues will be suffering. Just relax there. Inhale deep and come up slowly. Very good. And out, without the stretching the arms, we go straight to the hips. Inhale, chin to the exhale that forward. Inhale, take your big toes. Very good, everyone. Muy bien. Muy bien is very good in my language. Inhale, look forward, stretch your upper body, stretch your spine. While exhaling, look at me before do it. You bend your elbows 90 degrees. Keep your stomach in and bring your head to the floor. And then feel and absolutely stretching your upper body. Excellent. Very good. Inhale deep, look forward. Exhale deep, bring your hands to your hips. Inhale deep and come up. And from here, without jumping, look at me. From this position, you turn on your heels and you come back to Samasthiti hip. Beginning of the practice. Good. This position is like a suspension, you know, it's like a no thinking, ready for the next asana. So you prepare your body and you prepare your mind. Symmetrical lines between chest and hips, and a very intense feeling of 2 different directions of energy. From the hips to the floor, connection with the floor. From the hips to the head, connection with the sky. Hands in the center of your chest. Inhale deep, open your hands, and connect in a reverse of Namaskar Mudra. Good. From this position, stretch your right foot and bring your heels in the same line. Small step back, not so big. Good. And from this position, Parsvottanasana. Parallel feet and we take new front. There. This position. Good. From here, great. Keep your pelvic forward, your hips forward. Inhale deep while exhaling, Uddiyana Bandha activated and bend forward. Keep your chin a little bit up and look at the nail of your big toe. Stay there. 5 minutes. Relax, good. Very good. Great. Feel your shoulders in the same line. To be very clear. Inhale, deep and come up. Engage your abdominals. Parallel feet and turn to the left side. Good. From here you turn back to the left side. Good. Be careful with the feet back like this, because if you do the exercise with the feet in this position, you will hurt your knee. So it's very important to keep both feet forward. This is the right, this is not. Like that. Good. Very good. From here, inhale deep, open your chest. While exhaling, bend forward. Very clear. Keep in 2 parallel lines your chest and your hips. Look at the nail of your big toe and stay there, breathing, bringing the position into the deeper and deeper feelings. Relax your head. Inhale deep and come up. Yeah, hamstrings is 100% hamstring. So connect your feet And relax a little bit your hands. You feeling good? See? Very good. So from here, bring the weight of your body to your left foot and bend your knee, right knee. Interlock your fingers and bring your knee close to your chest. Elbows up, feet stretch. Yeah, very good. Point your foot, sorry. And keep your upper body straight. Balancing position. The balance starts in your mind and then in your body. So bring first balance in your mind. From this position, left hand to your hip, and then we turn to the right side. Keep your head in Parshva Drishti. Opposite side. Balance, concentration. And then come back. Nose to the knee. We stretch forward and then we collect. Both feet together. So we bring the weight to the right leg. Bend your knee. Interlock the fingers. Maybe point your toes. And keep your elbows up. Open your chest. Chin a little bit down. Feel your spine straight. Right hand in your hips, and then we turn left leg to the left side. Head in Parshva Drishti. Point your toes, stay there. Come back. Nose to the knee. Then stretch your feet and slowly recover. Come in up. Do it. Bend your upper body forward while exhaling. The knee look forward. Stretch your spine. Bend your knees. Chatpali. Chattanadasana. Great. Stay there. Come in Pancha, inhaling into Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Shut Adho Mukha. Hips up. Adjust your feet. Don't move your hands, only your feet. And then from this position, open your hands. Keep your Uddiyana Bandha very activated and feel your hamstrings. Relax the head. Look forward. And from here, we're going to place the right leg in the center of your hands. Turn a little bit your left foot, and from this position we get into Virabhadrasana. Brings arms up, 5 counts without any motion. Hip back. Stretch your knee without moving the arms. Parallel feet, and we turn to the left side. Don't move the arms. Bend your knee and stay there. 5 counts. Inhale, while exhaling, we get into Virabhadrasana 2, Warrior 2. You need to keep your eyes in the nail of your index finger. Shoulders down, abdominals engaged. Breathe. Inhale, stretch your feet, your legs, parallel feet, and turn the right foot 90 degrees without moving the arms. This is the most important part. Don't move the arms, hold it. In a very clear line. Feel like you are a warrior. Power, concentration, character. Yes. From here, both hands on the floor. Chaturanga Dandasana. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana while inhaling. Adho Mukha while exhaling. From this position, bring your right foot close to your left wrist and left to the right. And then take a seat. Good. Stretch your shoulders back. Stretch your spine. Open your chest. Chin a little bit down. Keep your feet activated. Active feet. Good. Chin to chest and keep your eyes in the point of your nose. Nasagra Drishti. Dandasana. 5 breaths. Inhale, look forward. And from here, with both fingers, we take the big toes. Inhale deep. While exhaling, Paschimottanasana. Bring forward your upper body and relax. 5 breathings, trying to keep your shoulders down. That's very close. Shoulders. Very good. Relax your shoulders. Inhale, deep, look forward. We go a little bit more deep. With both hands, we take the external side of your feet. From this position, we look forward. I tell you a secret. If you keep Uddiyana Bandha in this kind of position, then you bring your ribs close to the legs. And this will make your lower back really stretch. Okay, will give a very good stretching for your lower back. So inhale, look forward while exhaling, bend forward one more time. Inhale, look forward. While exhaling, you put the hands here. Back. Stretch your spine. All the time feel that your spine is stretched. And from this position, we go back a little bit with the hands like 60 centimeters from coccyx. This is the hook side. So from this position, inhale deep. And bring your Mula Bandha up, toes on the floor. Purvottanasana, extension to the east. Relax the head and hold it. Activate your bandhas. Stay there. Exhale, go down. Very good. And we go forward into Paschimottanasana. This is Pratikrijasana. It's like a contraposition. See? Come up slowly. Bring your hands beside your body. Good. And from here, we will bend the right knee. And we will place the right foot exactly in the abductor, very close to the pelvic. It's important to keep the hips straight. Relax your knee. Keep your spine very straight and activate your left foot. From this position, we inhale deep. Right hand takes the left wrist close. Do not let the energy goes out from the body. Inhale deep while exhaling, bend forward. From here, you inhale deep while exhaling. Relax the head and count 5 times. 5, breathe. Back, inhale, look forward. Exhale, relax the arms. And from this position, we look hip. Cross your legs like this. Bend your hands. No, not bend your hands. Bring your fingertips to the floor. And from this position, you go up. Like this. And you change. Tack. To the opposite side. If you cannot do this, you just do this. Tack. Okay? Bring your foot on the floor, your feet on the floor, and then go up with the coccyx. Good. Excellent. Very good, everyone. Change. Very good. Excellent. Men has power. Women not so much. So from here, left foot to the inner tight. Left hand takes the right one. Close your right hand. Inhale deep. Feel your body full of energy, and from there, bring your upper body down. While exhaling, head forward. attention, pay attention. From here, we're going to put, everyone can see me from there? Yeah. You put the hands very close to your foot. And from here, tap, jump down. Jump up. Go. Very good. Excellent. Go. It's determination to go forward. Good. From there, inhaling into Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Open your chest, stretch your feet. And from there, Adho Mukha while exhaling. Adjust your feet. Uddiyana Bandha activate. Expand your ribs. Right foot close to your left wrist. Left foot close to your right wrist. And then you take a seat again. Good. It's hard. But you need to smile. Everything is